Okay, this is what we built. Gonna walk around, and we have AC/DC playing in the backyard. Who needs to go to Moncton, right? Check this out. This is our entrance. Steps. Fire pit.
Well, you're in a fire. Go 4 feet deep.
There we go. Hey, Wayne. Hey, look at that. That's what we call a nice fire. Woo!
Batters.
Up the stairs. 1, 2. You don't fall in the fire. No.
Going up, so we show people we have the roof over it, or what do we do?
Hey, nothing. Terrible.
White
gold.
Hey!
White gold.
Nice fire.